Vishwasai.
Recital of Satcharitra on Thursdays between 6 and 6:30 in the evening.
Shubham Bhavatu.
गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी मधुवन संचारी पर्ति विहारी मधुवन संचारी पर्ति विहारी मधुवन संचारी पर्ति विहारी गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी।
नमस्कार, शिरडी साई विश्व साई कार्यक्रम में आपका साई राम के अभिवादन के साथ स्वागत है। शिरडी बाबा की कृपा से हमारे पास इस कार्यक्रम में आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए नए नए उपहार भक्तों की उपस्थिति से बन रहे हैं और आज के कार्यक्रम को लेकर भी बहुत उत्साह और उमंगे हैं because today we have some wonderful divine beings who came from India and they are becoming a part of today's Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai. Let's begin right away by introducing a gentleman by the name Ved Narayan. Yes, his name is Ved Narayan and he lived up to his name. He was the one who used to chant Vedas when Satya Sai Baba would come to give his darshan in the morning for consistently 24 years. He is a scholar, MA in philosophy, MA in Sanskrit, and someone who was also conferred the award of being the best teacher in India in 2004 by then President Dr. Kalam. Here we are with Ved Narayanji, who tells us that chanting Gayatri Mantra is good for one and all.
If everybody can chant Gayatri Mantra, it is so simple, it is so powerful. It is so powerful because I am a person, I am more like a scientist. Unless whatever I do, I get a convincing experience, I will not do a thing. This for years together I have been practicing. And Gayatri Mantra is one thing which has given me innumerable experiences. So anybody can chant Gayatri. There is nothing like that, any religion or caste or creed, nothing is there. Anybody can chant Gayatri. It's a universal prayer by which your acumen, that is your intelligence, will become very, very sharp. And especially children, those who are weak in studies, when they chant Gayatri Mantra, because I myself is an example. Because I was very poor in my studies. Till my 10th grade, in fact, I was a third class student. Somehow I managed to pass my school examination. And from my college days onwards, I started chanting Gayatri. And slowly I became a second class student, first class student, and first rank student. So this is all due to the grace of Gayatri. So by these mantras, definitely anybody can attain. In fact, it's highly powerful it is. Anybody can chant Gayatri.
Please chant 3 times for us. Maybe you will chant correctly some.
Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Gyona Prajotayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Gyona Prajotayat.
When we hear somebody chanting Vedas with right intonations, it uplifts our spirit. And especially the chanting of Sri Sukta is considered very auspicious. And of course, it is something that has the magnetic power to pull in abundance and make you prosperous.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajadasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Maavaha Tap Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Vindegyam Gamashwam Purushanaham Ashwapurvam Radhamadhyam Hastinada Pramodini Sriyam Devim Upakvage Srirma Deve Jushatam Kam Sosmitam Hiranya Prakara Mardram Jwalante Triptam Tarpayante Padme Stitam Padmavarnam Tamihopa Hwaye Srigyam Chandram Prabhasam Yashasa Jwalante Sriyam Loke Devajushtamudaram Tam Padmini Bim Charanamaham Prapadye Lakshmi Menasyatam Tvam Vrine Adityavarne Tapasodhijato Vanaspatistava Vrikshoda Bilvaha Tasya Bhalani Tapasa Nudantu Bhagyantaraga Chabakya Alakshmi Upaitu Mam Devasagah Kirtischamanina Saha Pradurbhutosmi Rashtresmin Kirtimriddhim Dadhatu Me Chutpipasamalam Jeshtham Alakshmirnachayamyaham Abhutimasamriddhinja Sarvanirnudame Grihat Gandhadwaram Duradharsham Nityapushtam Kareshini Ishwaregum Sarvabhutanam Tamihopa Hwaye Sriyam Manasakkamamagodim Vajas Satyamachimahi Pashunam Rupamannasya Magisrestrayatam Yashah Kardamena Praja Bhuta Magisambhava Kardama Sriyam Vasagame Kule Mataram Padmamalini Apasrijandusnigdhani Chikletavasame Grihe Nijadevem Mataram Sriyam Vasagame Kule Ardram Pushkaranim Pushtim Pingalam Padmamalini Chandram Hiranmayem Lakshmim Jatavedo Maavaha Ardram Yakkaranim Yashtim Suvarnam Hemamalinim Suryam Hiranmayem Lakshmim Jatavedo Maavaha Tam Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Prabhutam Gavo Dasyoshwan Vindeyam Purushanaham Yashuchi Prayato Bhutva Juhuyadajyamanvaham.
Baba is blessing Shirdi Sai Mandir Barwin with many special programs to mark its 10th anniversary. And recently Sunita ji was there. She's a wonderful singer. Her devotion is inductive. When you sit in her presence, the genuine love for the Lord and a sense of meditative oneness through her singing becomes a part of her experience as well as part of your experience when you listen to her.
Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Sesivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarvavigno अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपास्महे एकदन्तमुपास्महे.
Sunita ji, welcome. It was such an enriching experience to hear you, listen to you here in the presence of Baba. How was it for you?
It's a God's gift. I feel I'm singing for Him. What He has given me, I'm dedicating myself to Him. There is nothing new. I mean, as I just close my eyes, I think of Baba, and I sing. That's all. I'm giving it back.
That is such a genuine expression of the intense devotion, which becomes a part of you, or maybe some people who are really capable of feeling that oneness. Do you think they have some special grace, or there is some effort on the part of the devotee?
I really don't think it's an effort, but it should come, it has to be within yourself. And I always feel that we can't judge like that, and it differs actually. But I feel, for me, when I sing, I feel, I don't feel any difference between, it's like dedicating yourself to God, and you're giving everything what you have, everything. I can see one light, whenever I close my eyes, and it's like a meditation. Nothing but there is no need of any other person to give any application to the God in between. Adivo alladivo Shri Harivasamo. Adivo alladivo Shri Harivasamo. Padivela Seshula Padagalamaya Adivo alladivo Shri Harivasamo. My mom is a big role model of my life. She always says that whatever I ask her when I was small, whomever, if somebody comes to her and asks her, what do you want in life? She simply says nothing. Always. So I used to think a lot about her. And her goal is to see me there on the top of the list, Of course in Carnatic vocal, but I became a playback singer. Even though she don't expect anything from anybody. She always feel that it's a God's gift. See, there is a purpose for this life. He has given you something. So, what are you giving back? Sri Lakshmi Ramana Narayana. Narayana Sai Narayana. Gajamukhavadana Vandita Charana. Gajamukhavadana Vandita Charana. Alak Niranjana Narayana. Alak Niranjana Narayana. Alak Niranjana Narayana.
Tvameva matascha pita tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva. Guru is like mother also. And when mother and Guru are one, it becomes an interesting experience for the Shishya. There was an impromptu kind of first time singing by Shreya literally in the lap of her mother Sunita. This was a very profound and special moment that we have the pleasure of sharing with you.
I was a bit nervous.
They're all waiting.
And I was worried you will get angry or you will run away. That didn't happen. There is a lot of love that you experienced.
Yeah.
No, she's decided, basically. Decided and came to me. Otherwise, she wouldn't have come.
So, if the song which or bhajan that you were singing, if you both sing together just a few lines for us again.
And now. Sa sa re sa ni sa ni pa pa ni pa ma pa ga ma pa ni da da pa pa ni ma ma ga ma pa ni sa ah 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 Ma Saraswati Sharade Ma Saraswati Sharade Sa sa re sa ni pa pa ni pa ma pa ga ma pa ni da pa pa ni ma ga ma pa ni sa ah 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 Ma Saraswati Sharade Ma Saraswati Sharade भूल इस अज्ञान उदधि से भूल इस अज्ञान उदधि से वीणा पानी तार दे तार दे तार दे माँ सरस्वती शारदे माँ सरस्वती शारदे सरस्वती माँ शारदे शारदे माँ शारदे सूर्य ब्रह्म शिव विष्णु गजानन जिन चरणों को सेवते हैं सूर्य ब्रह्म शिव विष्णु गजानन जिन चरणों को सेवते हम शिष्य है अज्ञानी माता जिन चरणों का तारने वीणा पानी तार दे तार दे तार दे माँ सरस्वती शारदे माँ सरस्वती शारदे सरस्वती माँ शारदे शारदे माँ शारदे मूरख हम नहीं ज्ञानी जननी पूजन वंदन तार को मूरख हम नहीं ज्ञानी जननी पूजन वंदन दार को आदि शक्ति कर क्षमा हमें पूजा के उदितार को वीणा पानी तार दे तार दे तार दे माँ सरस्वती शारदे माँ सरस्वती शारदे
Wow! చూసావా చూసావా ఎంత బాగా పాడావు Good.
नमो नमो भवति जायमानोऽह्नान् केतुर्षसामेत्यग्रे भागं देवेभ्यो विदधात्यायन् प्रचन्द्रमा स्थिरति दीर्घमायुः शतमानं भवति शताय पुरुषस्य तेन्द्रियेन्द्रिये प्रतितिष्ठति सुमङ्गलीरियं वधूरिमां समेतपश्यता सौभाग्यमस्यै दत्त्वायाधास्तं विपरेतना अनुग्रहप्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु।
यो वेदादौ स्वरः प्रोक्तो वेदान्ते च प्रतिष्ठितः तस्य प्रकृतिलीनस्य यः परः स महेश्वरः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। समर्थ सद्गुरु श्री साईनाथाय नमः। ग्रंथ सरस्वती देवताभ्यो नमो नमः। प्रार्थना नमस्कारान् समर्पयामि। साईनाथ अनुग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु।
The greatness of Baba is that each one of us feel there is a special connection, as if the divine dialogue is taking place in a very distinct manner, unique for each one of us. And continuing our reading of Sai Charitra, we enter into the second part of chapter 10.
सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु श्री साईनाथ महाराज। गुरु तो अनेक हैं। कुछ गुरु ऐसे हैं जो द्वार द्वार हाथ में वीणा और करताल लिए अपनी धार्मिकता का प्रदर्शन करते फिरते हैं। वे शिष्यों के कानों में मंत्र फूंकते और उनकी संपत्ति का शोषण करते हैं। ईश्वर भक्ति और धार्मिकता का ढोंग रचते हैं, वस्तुतः अपवित्र और अधार्मिक होते हैं। श्री साई बाबा ने धार्मिक निष्ठा प्रदर्शित करने का विचार भी कभी मन में नहीं किया। दैहिक बुद्धि उन्हें किंचित मात्र भी छू न गई थी, परंतु उनमें भक्तों के लिए असीम प्रेम था। गुरु दो प्रकार के होते हैं, नियत और अनियत। अनियत गुरु के आदेशों से अपने में उत्तम गुणों का विकास होता और चित्त की शुद्धि होकर विवेक की वृद्धि होती है। वे भक्ति पथ पर लगा देते हैं। परंतु नियत गुरु की संगति मात्र से परंतु नियत गुरु की संगति मात्र से द्वैत बुद्धि का ह्रास शीघ्र हो जाता है। गुरु और भी अनेक प्रकार के होते हैं जो भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की सांसारिक शिक्षाएं प्रदान करते हैं। यथार्थ में जो हमें आत्मस्थित बनाकर भव सागर के पार उतार दे वही सद्गुरु है। यथार्थ में जो हमें आत्मस्थित बनाकर इस भव सागर से पार उतार दे वही सद्गुरु है। श्री साई बाबा उसी कोटि के सद्गुरु थे। उनकी महानता अवर्णनीय है। जो भक्त बाबा के दर्शनार्थ जाते, उनके प्रश्न करने से पहले ही बाबा उनके समस्त जीवन की त्रिकालिक घटनाओं का पूरा पूरा विवरण कह देते थे। वे समस्त भूतों में ईश्वर दर्शन किया करते थे। मित्र और शत्रु उन्हें दोनों एक समान थे। वे निस्वार्थी और दृढ़ थे। भाग्य और दुर्भाग्य का उन पर कोई प्रभाव न था। वे कभी संशयग्रस्त नहीं हुए। देहधारी होकर भी उन्हें देह की किंचित मात्र आसक्ति न थी। देह तो उनके लिए केवल एक आवरण मात्र था। यथार्थ में तो वे नित्य मुक्त थे। वे शिरडीवासी धन्य हैं जिन्होंने श्री साई बाबा की ईश्वर रूप में उपासना की। सोते जागते, खाते पीते, बाड़े या खेत तथा घर में अन्य कार्य करते हुए भी वे लोग सदैव उनका स्मरण और गुणगान करते थे। साई बाबा के अतिरिक्त दूसरा कोई ईश्वर वे मानते ही न थे। शिरडी की नारियों के प्रेम की माधुरी का तो कहना ही क्या है। वे बिल्कुल भोली भाली थीं। उनका पवित्र प्रेम उन्हें ग्रामीण भाषा में भजन रचने की सदैव प्रेरणा देता रहता था। यद्यपि वे शिक्षित न थीं तो भी उनके सरल भजनों में वास्तविक काव्य की झलक थी। ये कोई विद्वता न थी, वरन उनका सच्चा प्रेम ही इस प्रकार की कविता का प्रेरक था। कविता तो सच्चे प्रेम का प्रकट स्वरूप ही है, जिसमें चतुर श्रोतागण ही यथार्थ दर्शन या रसिकता का अनुभव करते हैं। बाबा की विनयशीलता। ऐसा कहते हैं कि भगवान में 6 प्रकार के विशेष गुण होते हैं और वो गुण हैं कीर्ति, श्री, वैराग्य, ज्ञान, ऐश्वर्य और उदारता। श्री साईं बाबा में भी ये सब गुण विद्यमान थे। उन्होंने भक्तों की इच्छा पूर्ति के निमित्त ही सगुण अवतार धारण किया।
ओम गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्.
And now, before we conclude, the time for Sai quiz. And the Sai quiz number 4, we asked, name the tree under which Baba used to sit. And many of you have been really successful in giving us the right answer, which is Neem Vraksha. Sada Nimb Vraksha. That also you must have heard. So, Damini Vaidya, Milan Namle, Jagrati Rana, Rishmi Vaidya, Vadadi Koteshwar Rao, Smita Parikh, Pankaj Doshi, Seema Poddar, Arun Sapra and Neelu Ratan. Thank you very much for being the one who sent the correct answer. And now here comes Sai quiz number 5 that we have today for you is name that person who addressed Sai Baba as Sai for the first time. Name the person who addressed Sai Baba as Sai for the first time. That is the Sai quiz number 5. You can text your answer to us at 917-573-7775 or write to me at shirdisaivs@gmail.com. It was indeed a great pleasure being with all of you by Sai Baba's grace, Sai Ram. This is time to take vida from this episode of Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai. अशोक व्यास को अनुमति दें। नमस्कार।
गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी, गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी, मधुवन संचारी पर्ति विहारी, मधुवन संचारी पर्ति विहारी, मधुवन संचारी पर्ति विहारी, गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी।
निरंजनी सद्गुरु स्वामी निज बिलसी जीवा, स्वामी